How to fix we couldn't install a required dependency in Valorant. First, open your File Explorer. Next, open the C drive. Look for a folder named Program Files and open it. Inside Program Files, find another folder called Riot Vanguard and open it. Now, you'll see a folder named VG Tray inside Riot Vanguard. Open that one too. Go back to your desktop. Look for the little arrow in the bottom right corner. Click on it to show hidden icons. Find the Riot Vanguard icon, right-click on it, and choose Exit Vanguard. They might ask if you're sure. Just click Yes. Click on the search bar in the bottom left corner of your screen and type Control Panel. Hit Enter. Inside Control Panel, look for an option that says Uninstall a program under the Programs section. Click on it. In the list of programs, look for Riot Vanguard. Right-click on Riot Vanguard and choose Uninstall. If they ask if you're sure, just click Yes. Restart your PC and open Valorant. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully tackled the we couldn't install a required dependency error in Valorant. Now, you can get back to playing your favorite game without any hassle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks. Happy gaming!